welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jasmine. If you're not, then welcome back. So today I wanted to do a quick Valentine's Day tutorial just because I love these colors, so I thought it'd be perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. If you guys do want to see how I did this, let's go ahead and get right into it. So today I'm going to be using the I don't know, the Hydra Veil, and I'm going to put this as a primer. And I swear every time I put this on, my makeup just comes out so good. I'm actually going to go ahead and get started with the eyes, and then we'll do our foundation. So I will be using I know you guys saw this on my last, if you guys didn't watch my BoxyCharm unboxing, that's where I got this palette. Yeah, I wanted to use like the brown colors. For my eyes, I'm actually just going to use the Master Conceal because I'm running low on my Tarte and I don't want to use that on my eyes. I'm going to go in with Horizon, which is this like orange color right here. I'm gonna go in with Pyramid, which is this like brown right here. I'm just gonna put that on the crease. So what do you guys have planned for Valentine's Day? I think is it a Friday? I'm gonna go in with this fade right here, and I'm just gonna put it right where I put the fade, the pyramid color. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna make it as dark as you want it. Pretty much just layering the colors on there so I can make it darker. So that's why you can like blend it in as dark as you want. I do want it pretty dark for me. So all I'm gonna do now is with my concealer, this is like a lip brush, I believe. It's a concealer brush from e.l.f. So it's like, I think it was like $3 or so. And I'm just going to take some of that same concealer that I used, the Master Conceal, and I added some here so I can have, you know, so it's easier for me to grab it so I don't grab too much or anything like that. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it where I want to put my light color in. I've seen people use like a Q-tip before, like they'll apply makeup remover on a Q-tip and then it's easier for them to just kind of like draw it out. Try it out, let me know how it works. But for now, I'm just going to use the concealer brush. I'm trying not to apply it on my lashes. If you feel like you go too far off to the end, that's fine because you can always darken it up. You know, and I'll show you how I do that. But you can always darken it up to blend, because you have to darken it up to blend the edges anyway, so you don't see this line. And if you do end up getting concealer on your lashes, if you're like me and you have eyelash extensions, you can always remove it with the makeup remover. I just don't want to do that because I don't like applying any product on my lashes because I feel like it's easier for them to like come off, so they don't last as long, and I mean they're expensive. So all right, so now that I am happy where my concealer is at, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the light color that I'm using. So this color actually came in my, I'm not sure if it came in my Ipsy or in my BoxyCharm. I'm not sure, but it was like a single like velvet eyeshadow. It says Risk. It looks like it's very pretty. It's really pretty. So this is what I'm gonna use for where I put that concealer in. And you guys know I like putting it with my finger because I feel like it's more pigmented than when you do it with the brush. Good. So it looks really pretty. You want to add some of this gleam just because, you know, we're using the palette. So this color right here, I'm just going to grab a little bit and I'm just going to apply it like right here on the edges. But you have to apply a lot. I'm gonna go in with Fade again, which was the dark brown color, this one right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend in those colors at the edge, like on the corner. It's kind of like you're pushing in the color, like you're just tapping it in there. And apply my foundation. Again, I'm using the Hourglass foundation stick, which is my favorite right now, and I'm running out. And this is why I don't film often, because I have him with me 24/7, so I can't really film because he always wants to get in everything. He can't be away from me for more than 5 minutes, and when he's around me, he's touching my makeup and he gets into it. He has destroyed many palettes here. Okay, and I'm gonna use my Tarte concealer because I can't use anything else under my eyes. I like the brighter look under my eye, and the Master Conceal one doesn't really do it for me. Some setting powder, and I'm using the Laura Mercier. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows next. I am back to using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. My color is in medium brown. And all I'm doing is just doing like little strokes to resemble like the hair. You guys know I don't like the heavy eyebrow look, so I try to do it as natural as I can. And I've been loving this Gigi Gorgeous in Turnt and Extra. I think I've shown it to y'all before. But I like to grab both. Oh yeah, and the brush that I'm using is a large angled contour. Put some on my forehead. I'm gonna try this out. I got it and I haven't tried it. The box is just sitting there. So it's the Marble Light Illuminating Blusher in Dusk. Pretty. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna switch brushes to my e.l.f. This is my e.l.f. blush brush. I actually like it. It's really pretty. And sometimes I just put some over here, and I love that look. You just kind of look very refreshed, which if you're a mama, you need. Even if you're not a mama, if you go to school, you just work crazy hours, whatever, had a rough night and you need to sleep it off. I'm gonna grab a flat brush. This is the Sigma eye shading. I will show it to you guys, but it's like I've had it for so long that it's faded. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of that pyramid color, which was this one right here. I'm gonna apply it under my and I'm gonna take the dark brown too, the fade, and I'm gonna put that a little bit above that. I'm going to apply a little bit of that shade that I have here in my inner corners. Take a little bit and just kind of dab it on the inner corner. Just like that. I'm going to show you two lip combinations. So the first one, I am using my Vino from MAC pencil. I don't remember it being this light, or I don't know if it's because of the lip treatment that it made it like a little bit lighter. So now we're gonna apply the Antique Velvet from MAC. And Gideon got into it as well, as you guys can see. This shade is probably the most perfect to my shirt. I really like it. Little tip, if you guys are using like a dark color and it's like bleeding at the bottom and you want like that perfect edge, with the same like a concealer brush. You can grab some concealer and line down here so it looks better. So this is what it would look like with the antique shade. Okay, so I'm about to show you guys the second shade that I would use. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills. I absolutely love this color for any cool tones that I use on my eyes. Or there's times where like I just do like a wing liner and I'll put this color, and it's so pretty. It goes with like a lot. It's kind of dark, so if you guys prefer to go for a more nude, you definitely can, because it is a darker look on the eye. But I personally do not mind mixing dark colors and dark colors down here, especially with the blouse that I'm wearing. I feel like I would have to wear something, you know, a little, I want something a little darker. I don't know, it's up to you guys though. If you guys have never tried the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks, this one is like, they do dry matte, but it's not as drying as like Kylie Cosmetics. But yeah, this is what it would look like with the second color. This is more on the cool tone. I really like both. It just depends on what your mood is. I would say, so if we were going to dinner, I would probably go with the liquid lipstick, the Anastasia one, just because if I eat, it's not gonna come off. So this is it right here. I really hope you enjoyed the look. I think it's perfect for any occasion really, but I kept Valentine's Day in mind. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see another Valentine's Day look before actual Valentine's Day, and if you do, let me know if you want to see like another pink, pretty pink color, or if you want to see maybe like a different smoky eye. I don't know. Whatever colors you guys want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.